What did you see on the other side? Said, what did you see on the other side? It's just the other day.
It was a journey toward demise, and when I died, light emerged from the sky. I had no body, just a head that could fly. Swimming through the void of all else, I was comprised. I realized how far from me I'd always been, exercising my survival, for my will would always bend. Caught it along at the mercy of all sin. Opted to do without, ignoring the God within. Little control, a goal and no soul. Immobile and my hopeful, yo. Colorless and dull, yo. Fuck this, it sucks. Buckets with the crux, and my knuckles like brass. I bust lips, nigga. 10 fingers, 10 toes, 20 phalangeal grab apparatuses, manhandling instrumentals that I compose with the moon. Young Helios approach, claiming on my wild tread, cement glows, son. You don't realize what you saw on the other side. What did you see on the other side? Yeah, big ups. What you know about it?
Make some noise for Zero, y'all. I got my man Yuck on the effects, Ages, Koto on the bass. We're gonna do one more joint. It's kind of rough. On some raw shit.
Desire serene, seem rally, cause we rash. Dream dress, chilly. Ill Cali folks feel real vibes, bro. We'll ride, no mash, smoking roaches, low jive, go fast, so focused, stiff figures. Ninjas first class, no coaches. We all teach, but he learned from the herd. Yeah, he heard it. It hurt like stab wounds and earth spurted. Cursing, perturbing, and words blurted. The perfect killer, curtains for certain. Edible birth, the cottonmouth serpent serving space cookies, turning rookies into wordsmiths. Perks of a personal learner's permit, I earned this. Footwork and emerge furnished. Murked, then live in my room. Living my life, living life while typhoons. Boarding in my shoes while the earth gets ruined. Drainer fluids, burning loot, fossil fueling. The cops wooing, I'm cool, but the block hot. Chop with a sample chop, dropped at the sock hop. Scotch, pop, topping them top notch. Double, tripled in bubbles that ripple in toilets. Having trips to the foliage, crippling condo, all kinds to the construct. Bomb with the conscious accomplishments for the consciousness straight. Loch Ness monster, street Nietzsche but straight. The deepest Nietzsche species, so keep dreaming. I'll be seeing things and I won't stop bleeding. Real freestyle nasty, and the written is so plastered. Saying rad words that are great. It's a spell caster. Go faster. Outlaster. That could have went a whole lot better, don't you think? Yeah, probably. Peace and light. You don't realize how much weed I smoke. Yeah. You don't realize how much herb I took.
Check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Mind Design, everybody. Mind Design.